No, it's been a while. I believe you're in a good shape. Now, without wasting much time, I want to give I want to give more example on else if statements. So it's all about a grade. So if you have a grade greater than or equals to 90, so we'll tell the program to print A grade. And if you have a grade greater than or equals to 80, we tell the computer to print out B grade. So then to start the program, we'll write if grade if statement if grade is greater than or equals to 90, but you always put your semicolon. So we have something like this: enter, then print A grade. Yes, then elif, otherwise grade is greater than or equals to 80. What are we going to print? We'll print B grade. Okay, let's put our and so another elif statement grade is greater than or equals to 70. Print that should be C grade. And elif grade greater than or equals to, let's say, 65. Put a semicolon, or else it's going to flag an error. Print D grade. So X print failing grade. So then we indented it in fact that's correctly. So now let's say here now our grade is equals to, let's say, 70. So let's see what we'll get. It's flagging us an error. So we have, let's check it out. You can see this is C grade. Now let's go back. Let's accept from the user. Let's see what will happen. Let's clean this. So we just make it grade input. Let's turn it int, then input. So right, you input your grade. This will accept input from the user. Your grade. Then what do we do next? So we have already converted to integer. So let's find out. This will receive input from the user. We are trying to make the user to give his grade. Let's say 80. So we can have something. You can say B grade. So it's working perfectly well. Now let me give it an explanation of it. Now this is receive input from the user. That's why I put this. So we can write a program without receiving input from the user depending on what we want. Now the first one said that if grade is greater than or equals to 90, you should print 8 grade. So if this first statement is true, then A grade will be printed on the terminal. And elif means that if this is not, so the program will go to the next stage to check if there is 80. If it's not 80, it will go to the next one, go to the next one, then X statement. So this X statement will be the last option after other statements are false. But once one of the statements is true, it's going to print out. Let's say, for example, if you have 70% as a grade, 70 as a grade, so it's going to print C. But if all this grade is not provided or is not the grade, so it's going to print failing grade. Anything less than 60, since this one is greater than or equals to, so if you let's find out. So if you provide 60, it's going to give you failing grade. Yes, it's going to give failing grade. You can see that because the last statement here stated that if grade is greater than or equals to 65, you should print D grade. Now we know anything 60 downward, even 64 downward, is going to give you failing grade. So you can see that. Yeah, so thank you very much and have a nice day. We'll see you next time.